How can we become more self-aware? Step 1 of learning how to be a better manager is becoming more self-aware. Why is this important? Because managers are in positions of influence, and their actions can impact other people in significant ways. Start with identifying your job-relevant knowledge, skills, abilities, and other characteristics. Let's learn more about each of these. Knowledge is a collection of facts and other information about a particular subject. There are two types of knowledge, declarative and procedural. Declarative knowledge is knowing information about a particular topic. For instance, you may have declarative knowledge about various cultures from around the world, or about how the government operates. Procedural knowledge is knowing how to do something. For example, you may know how to change a tire, how to speak more than one language, or how to cook a delicious meal. A skill is a practiced behavior pattern that helps us succeed in a specific situation. The 3 skills approach identifies 3 types of skills: technical, people, and conceptual. Technical skills enable us to complete a specific activity, such as the use of welding equipment or surgical tools. People skills enable us to work well with other people. For instance, verbal and nonverbal communication skills are important to most jobs. And conceptual skills help us shape the meaning of work. This might include creating and communicating the organization's mission, vision, and strategy. Abilities are broad categories of things you are capable of doing. Examples include psychomotor, sensory, physical, cognitive, and perceptual motor abilities. Other characteristics that make you unique include your personality, work-related preferences, and values. Personality is defined as a person's stable pattern of thoughts and behaviors. The 5-factor model suggests personality is made up of varying levels of 5 dimensions. Here are the 5 dimensions. Openness to experience is the willingness to consider new ideas. Conscientiousness is the tendency to accomplish things and perform well. Extroversion is the tendency to be energized in social situations. Agreeableness is the extent to which we get along with others. And emotional stability, formerly known as the neuroticism dimension, is the tendency to be emotionally balanced in stressful situations. Preferences are also relevant to becoming more self-aware. These include your values and your desires for certain qualities related to the work experience. Your values are the beliefs that are important to you. Instrumental values, like independence and ambition, represent the behaviors that are essential or instrumental to achieving your goals. Terminal values, like happiness, wealth, and wisdom, represent the goals you wish to pursue. These are the things you want to accomplish in life, and you rely on your instrumental values to achieve them. Taking note of your unique characteristics can help you identify opportunities and challenges as you work with people to get things done. For instance, you will interact with people who have different values, and this might cause some conflict in how you approach the work. Being aware of your values and how they influence your interactions with others can help you avoid conflicts like this.